What's up, Fomo fam? Together we are building a crypto portfolio with kind of only microcap coins, and in this video I'm gonna show you when I will buy them, because there are definitely 100x's right here, but you can only make 100x if you buy at the right time, right? So that's what we're gonna take a look at, and the portfolio is going to be given away to you guys. So subscribe to the channel if you want to win it. That's for now all you have to do. Be part of the Fomo fam and like the video, would help me a lot. Now let's take a look at this. This is the community challenge portfolio, and if you have no idea what this is, I'm buying into 4 crypto portfolios with coins called by Alex Becker, Crypto Banter, BitBoy, and you guys. I'm putting in $2,000-$3,000 per portfolio. Once Bitcoin hits $100,000, I'm gonna give away the portfolio with the highest returns, and that could actually be a $200,000-$300,000 portfolio, because don't get it wrong, what small good altcoins could do in a blasting bull run. So I'm so super excited. So this is the portfolio so far. I already dollar costed a little bit into it. I made one really bad timing, so you see that, you know, the average is down, but most of the money has still to be allocated, and prices are so garbage right now. And we're gonna take a look like, okay, are they gonna get more garbage? Because then we have such a beautiful entry for this. So let's start with it. We have Engine Starter, Nervous Network, Pancake Swap, ALBT, RFox, the Fina Finance, CDFI NFT Space, Singularity Net, Cadena, and Polkadex. So let's take a look. When are we going to buy these coins? Let's start with AGIX. AGIX is ranging between around 3.5 cents and 5.5 cents. It's very simple. We are now sitting close to 5.5 cents. So am I buying here? No, I'm gonna wait for it to go back to around 3.5 cents. And you know, 3.8 cents is good enough for me. But around this area is where I will buy these coins, right? So just check out, is it ranging? Okay, cool. It's making, you know, it's since June, it didn't make lower lows, so it is a strong project. So it's just ranging right here. But why would you buy at the top of the range, right? And small tip, if it ever does break out, it usually retests. So just buy the retest so you can make your gains up, right? But don't buy right here hoping that it will break out, because chances are likely, since it's ranging, that it comes down again, and then you're sitting on a 30% loss. So that's not what you want to do, right? Crypto is a patient game in the bear market. Okay, AGIX Bitcoin, you know, it's now sitting at around 311 Satoshis. I'm more interested in buying at around 200 Satoshis, to be completely honest, so not yet for me. ALBT, I'll try to go over this quite quickly, as people saying that my videos take too long. ALBT also did not really make lower lows since October, so finally a little, you know, it's a little strong. No more weakness from some altcoins, so that's good to see, right? It's now sitting at 4,300 Satoshis. I'm gonna buy at around 4,000, so it's not that far from, sorry, cents. So it's not Satoshis, this is just a dollar chart. So it's now sitting at 4.3 cents. I'm gonna buy it around 4 cents, right? Looks like a very good point for me to buy. And if that breaks, yeah, then we have not much more. Then we have 0.36, and that's basically it. We have no more information, right? If we look at Cake, Pancake Swap, one that I chose, this is the most high cap, but Cake did so completely strong in the last bull run. I believe in the Binance Smart Chain, therefore I believe in the leading DEX on the Binance Smart Chain, although I don't really see Cake's utility, but then again, the chart says otherwise. So Cake, sorry, I'm a bit sick still. Cake looks like it has some strong support at around, yeah, you know, around $3. It's now sitting at 330. So that looks like a very good level to buy for me, and that's not down a lot, like maybe 7% or so. 7-8% down, but that looks like a perfect level for me to buy some Cake. So definitely I will dollar cost into some Cake right there, but just not yet. I want to get these better opportunities, because if you buy right now, there's a chance you go down 8% first, and then you have to go up again to play even, and only then you make profits, right? But if you buy it right here, it's way better, right? Because if you then go up right here, you're already in profits, right? And if we then go up here, it makes a lot of difference. It's a lot of difference. So Cake, interesting. Cake Bitcoin still has some room to go down though. If we go to the first support level, that's around 26% down, around 1,450 Satoshis. That's why I'm interested in buying Cake if I buy Cake with Bitcoin. And that's what I said a lot in my videos, guys. One disclaimer. It might be that I don't think so, but it might be that altcoins are sitting at their lows compared to the dollar. You know, some, right? Because they're showing some strength. But when we compare it to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance is sitting super low still, right? If this goes up a little bit, these altcoins will bleed against Bitcoin, right? So I'm stacking up on Bitcoin right now. So if I miss out on the Cake dollar bottom, it doesn't matter because I might not miss out on the Cake Bitcoin bottom. Get 2 chances. Perfect. Engine starter. Engine starter. I don't know. Stochastic RSI completely overbought at the moment, so it has to reset. The first big support level is around 11% lower, and that's also the only support level. So engine starter still looks like it's about to make lower lows, right? It's now sitting at around 0.0017, right? Could it go down another 80%? Definitely. So I'm, stacking up on a little bit of engine starter right here, but patiently. Maybe 10% of my total allocation. I'm not buying anymore. I think this thing has more room to go down. The Fina Finance. Look, and this is so beautiful about the bear market. The bull market, everybody was YOLOing into everything, right? The Fina Finance was around $10. Crazy. It's now sitting in a cent. 1,000 times as low, right? It's not because it's a bad project. It's a bear market compared to, a lot of FUD, compared to token investing, compared to whatever the fuck, right? But it's now sitting at a cent. A cent. So if you buy now, I'm not saying you should buy now, except for this little wick right here, which is not that big of a difference. If you buy now, you have a better entry than anybody else ever had on this token, right? But it doesn't mean, in 2 months, when it does this, we can maybe say the same. Right? And then you are the one that's wrecked. So watch out with that. But at a certain point, these kind of microcap tokens that are likely to survive, in my opinion, gives you such a great buying opportunity. It's retarded, right? So, and if we look at the first big resistance level, like we are doing this for the longer play, right? But this, has some room to go up as well, right? 120% give or take. Right? Stochastic RSI sitting in its oversold territory. Could stay there for a long while. Well, the price goes down, definitely. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not YOLOing into this yet. But if I have to buy it somewhere, I'm going to buy it here. Right? Definitely. Cadena is quite strong though, compared to other coins. But it also has a lot of room to go down still. And I'm not saying it will, but it has some clear support levels, right? So it's now sitting at 95 cents. If we go down, the first support level is around 83 cents. If we break that, however, we see new cycle lows, then there's not a lot of room. Then we can easily go down to around 60 cents. And if we break that, 40 to 43 cents is on the table. So watch out with Cadena. It has a lot of room to go down. If we look at Cadena Bitcoin, if I don't fuck up my chart, if we look at Cadena Bitcoin, kind of the same story, right? Look, it's a good project. It has a big community. But, we talked about this. We have an accumulation phase, uptrend, distribution phase, downtrend, accumulation phase again. Buy, make money, take profits, do something else, repeat, right? That's what you do. If you look at this chart right now, what is it doing, right? It's not going sideways, really. It's still going down big time, right? So buying here, it's a gamble. It's always a gamble. It always has been anywhere in this bear market, right? So why would you buy Cadena right now? It's kind of stupid because it's not really ranging, although it is sitting at the same levels, where it bounced in May. Sorry. So despite this wick, we didn't make new lower lows, right? But if it does, then for Bitcoin, it's very simple. The first big support level from here is sitting at around 35% lower. And I'm not even talking about what comes after that, right? So Cadena, be a little careful with that. Polkadex, it got raped in this bear market, finally showing some strength, right? It's ranging in this range right here between 180 and 112. It's sitting perfectly in the middle right now. So am I buying right now? No, I'm gonna buy at 112, right? Is there a chance it gets there? Well, yeah, it got like, this is what it's doing, right? So, and you don't know for how long that's going to do it, but you know, the odds are with you if you buy here, not here, right? Because who says that it never gets there again? Like, that's stupid, right? And if it does break out still, you know, buy the breakout. So Polkadex at 112. For the rest, we'll see what the market does by that time. No more information. A lot of coins are sitting at their, not even their cycle lows, but their all-time lows, right? RFox, yeah, kind of same story. RFox, like a very small cap gem, definitely, and it's now sitting at 0.005. And a lot of people might ape into this right now. But who says it cannot get to 0.001, right? Then you lose 80% of your money. It's 100% possible, right? I would not be surprised, because again, nothing in this chart, like this chart is also only going down. If you zoom out, it looks like, oh, it's going sideways, so you can buy right now. No, zoom out when in doubt, zoom in when you want to go all in. It's skydiving, right? So in the last, you know, couple of weeks, it came down 60%. Just in the last couple of weeks, right? Who says it cannot go down another 60%? You don't want to. You don't want to be here now, right? So RFox, good project. Should you buy right now? In my opinion, you'd be completely stupid if you do, right? RFox BTC, same story. Stochastic RSI resetting, and the price is not even really moving. So I wouldn't touch it right now. Nervous Network looks the same. Same. If you do not have it and you want to already dollar cost, wait for it to go to around 0.002. It's now 0.0025. And again, guys, yeah, we could be at the bottom now, finally, right? And so everything that I say could be wrong. But that's what we could have said in this complete bear market. So the odds are just completely 100% against you if you think that you should buy right now. And if you are at the bottom and you buy right now, then it's a lucky shot. You don't want to base your financial status on luck, right? So be careful, be careful, be careful. Nervous Network, yeah, nah, still going down. 0.02 is the level for me. Then I have to take a look at the Bitcoin chart, and also the Bitcoin chart, you know, shows. Sorry, I can't. I'm not getting better. Kids love him, but when it comes to the Bitcoin chart, yeah, maybe some support at around, well, 1,300 Satoshis, but that's around 10% lower. We could definitely go to at around 1,100 Satoshis as well. And that's more around, you know, 20-30% lower than where we are right now. So what have we skipped? Because not everything is on TradingView. I think only CeDeFi NFT space, right? Okay, when to buy this one? It's a very good question, because this is very new, so we don't have history, right? This is making lower lows all the time still, of course, right? It did a 50x in the bear market, no funding, it was airdropped, you know, people selling it, of course, vestings coming up, right? This gets vested over the period of, I don't know, it's getting burned. It's getting in 10 years or so. So this is not that shocking as it looks. But you want to take a look at the tokenomics. For this one, it depends on you. I believe in CeDeFi. I believe that a $5 million market cap project by CeDeFi is completely ridiculous. So I will already ape into this. But I can lose another 80% of my money in the meantime, definitely. But I have strong beliefs in this project. CeDeFi as Fund token was a $350 million market cap token in the bull run. This is now sitting at 5. So if you know where it might head, then you might give a less shit about the temporary losses. But could it get to $1 million market cap? It can. Definitely. There's no reason why it can't. I think the community is too strong for it to get there, but it's possible. So I will basically buy this into 5 steps. In every $1 million market cap that it falls, I'm gonna buy. So let's say I have $1,000 for this. Now I'm gonna buy $200. At 4 million, I'm gonna buy $200. Well, you can do the math. So that's kind of when I'm buying these tokens. That's it for now. I think I had them all. I hope it was a little useful for you. Soon I will drop a very interesting video, by the way, with my biggest mistakes in crypto. I think this video is going to save your crypto career, or at least helps you with that. So subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you won't miss it. Like the video, please. You have no idea how much of a help you are if you just click the like button. And I wish you a very nice day. Bye.